Let me show you how I monetized my new Facebook page. And I'm also going to be showing you a method that I just found out recently. A complete beginner can use to create and grow a new Facebook page to monetization in just 90 days. So the thing is that I have successfully monetized over 3 different Facebook pages, right? And this is in the space of a year. I have monetized 3 different Facebook pages, and none of them is below 10,000 followers. This is to show you that I actually know what I am talking about. The Facebook page that I am about to monetize now is actually a Facebook page I created live right here in one of my videos. I came out here, I made a video, I talked about how to create a new Facebook page. I created that page and I started posting on that page, and surprise surprise, now that page is ready for monetization with over 10,000 followers on the page. So if you're interested in Facebook monetization or how to make money on Facebook, just do all to watch this video from the beginning to the end. Like the video, share the video, and do all to subscribe to this particular channel to get more content just like this one. And don't forget to comment where you're watching from down in the comment section. A lot of people don't know that you can actually make money on Facebook even in 2026. There are a lot of methods you can use to make money from Facebook. Facebook has content monetization, they have subscriptions, they have stars, they have a lot of methods, and they even have stories. This means that once you post a story on your Facebook page, you can make money from Facebook. Another thing you need to know is that Facebook actually pay for more engagement. The more engagement your posts have, the more money you can make from that particular post. Another thing you need to know is that Facebook can pay you more based on the location of your audience. For example, if your audience are from the United States of America and another person has an audience from Nigeria, the both of you cannot make the same amount of money for 1,000 views. Another thing you need to know is that you don't have to create videos for you to make money on Facebook, because I know some people, they believe that for you to make money on Facebook you have to be creating videos, and they are camera shy, they don't know how to speak on camera or talk on camera, and they don't know how to position themselves. They don't even have good smartphones or good camera, and they still want to make money on Facebook. So the thing is that you don't have to create videos to make money on Facebook. Facebook monetization is not overnight, especially if you're a beginner. So if you're coming with the mindset of I can make money from Facebook today, you are actually going to fail, because number one, you are a complete beginner, you don't know how a lot of things work. So this is actually not a financial advice. I'm not saying after you watch this video you're going to start making thousands of dollars from Facebook, but I believe you're going to learn something today that can help you shape the way you see Facebook monetization. Okay, the yapping is actually too much, so let's just go straight to the point. You can see that this page is ready for monetization. You are going to receive something like this once you grow your page to a certain level. Number one, you need around 5,000 followers for this to be possible, and you need a consistent amount of engagement in the space of 2 months or 3 months. How it works: earn from your creativity, track earnings, this, and I'm just going to click on continue. You can see content monetization is loading, and they say content monetization is successful. So I just monetize this page right now. Everything here is 000. They might send you an invitation. You're going to see that particular setup button right there. That setup button will show you that okay, you are actually eligible to start earning from your Facebook content, that you should actually set it up and start earning from your Facebook post. If you remember, I told you that more engagement on Facebook equals to more money. This post has over 179,000 likes. A post that has this amount of like could be over 10 million views and over 15 million views. All what you do right here is that you use AI to create movie posters as a fan. You use AI to create movie posters as a fan, and you post it on Facebook. The first thing I'm going to be doing right now is for me to go over to ChatGPT and ask it to give me top 10 movies that are currently trending, or top 10 popular movies that are old movies that deserve a continuation. List top 10 popular old movies or old TV series that deserve a continuation, because as a fan I might love these movies so much and I want them to continue based on how popular they are. Maybe I want them to have part 2. So I'm going to click on enter right here. First one is Titanic. Okay, let's go with Titanic for example. These are the actors that acted this movie. What I'm going to do is for me to download all their images. I'm going to take these 4 photos over to ChatGPT again. Pay attention, this is the prompt I'm going to give. ChatGPT. I love the movie Titanic as a fan, so I want to create three amazing posters as a fan teaser for the continuation of Titanic or for Titanic 2. Now, these are some of the cast of Titanic. Based on these their photos, I want you to give me a strong prompt that I can use for Nano Banana AI to turn this photo into an amazing 4K quality movie poster that I can actually post on Facebook just as a fan, just for fun. I'm going to click on enter. Okay, this is the prompt that we turn this into an amazing 4K movie poster right here. I'm telling you, I don't know how this will look, right? But let me just copy this. So let's come over to Gemini and let me click on. I'm going to click on create image right here. I'm going to come here and import those four photos. I'm going to put the prompt. I'm going to click on enter. Let's see what Nano Banana is going to give us. So this is actually amazing, right? This is the photo right here. This is amazing, and I'm just going to come here and save this. But the problem right there is that the aspect ratio is not the right ratio I want. So I'm going to come over to ChatGPT and import the photo, and I'm going to give it a prompt like this. This is the movie poster I got from Gemini. This is from the first prompt you gave me. This is not bad. This is amazing. But first of all, I don't like the aspect ratio. I need 4:5, not this particular one. And secondly, is there anything that needs to be added to make this poster more attractive? Add it in the prompt. So I need a new prompt for this with the correct aspect ratio, and if there's anything to be added, then add it right in the prompt. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on enter. So let me just come here and copy the whole thing. Let's come back to Gemini and let's import everything again. Let's see what Gemini will give us for the second time. This is what Gemini gave us right here. So this is the first image and this is the second image. Both of them are actually okay like this. So you can decide to post it this way and that is just fine. So this is the new image Gemini gave me. This looks amazing, but I want to add the text to it just like the first one. So I need everything to remain the same, the ratio, everything. Copy the latest prompt that ChatGPT just gave me right here, and I'm going to come back to Gemini and let's try to design something new. Put the prompt right there and let me click on enter. So this is what Gemini gave me. This is not bad, right? This is amazing. So I'm going to save this image. You can decide to post it with the watermark. There is no problem. Facebook allow images with watermark. Come over to Canva right here. So I'm just going to come here, import this image into Canva just like this, and I'm going to come here and just click on set image as background. Then I'm going to come here, click on the image. I'm going to scroll here, click on select. Let me click on brush. Once I click on brush, I'm just going to come here and brush out this particular watermark right here and click on magic eraser. Once I click on that, you're going to see that it's going to clear out that particular watermark. Just watch, the watermark there is gone, and the next thing is for us to post it on Facebook. Okay, I'm done with downloading. But hold on, does this actually violate any policy? Because we have to be safe while we are posting this. So I decided to ask ChatGPT, and ChatGPT gave me this response, which means this is legit and legal. This doesn't violate any policy at all. Another thing is that you need to pick a niche, right? You have to pick a niche, import your post, put your caption, just click on next, and then click on this, click on post, and it's actually loading. Your post will be posted successfully. That's just how you post this, and that's just it. So you create movie posters and you post them just as a fan because you are a fan, you love this movie so much. That is how you start earning from Facebook in 2026.